I want to break down the key differences between my two favorite litter boxes. Now, I have used a lot of manual litter boxes over the years, and this is without question my favorite. This is the extra large Modkat box, and we usually have two of these right here, and our cats love them. They're very streamlined and clean. They have a ton of space, and you can actually stack them if you want to, if your cats are willing to jump into them. But what I really love is they also have this top that the cats can jump out of that works as a litter catch. And then PetSnowy gave us their automatic SnowPlus litter box for review, and this is amazing. So much so that right now it's just replacing one of the Modkats, but I do plan to switch to only the PetSnowy in the future, which will actually be a smaller footprint than both Modkats took to begin with. Now, what obviously makes the PetSnowy amazing is that it will automatically clean anytime the cats use it. They go right inside and use the litter box, which is inside this drum. And then as soon as they use that, this fan and deodorizer will turn on and a timer will start, and then this will auto clean at whatever setting you have it at. And then it collects all the litter for you automatically in a garbage bag, so you never have to touch it. And it really dramatically reduces smell because it's always tucked away. And the app is extremely smart. This entire litter box actually will track weight, so it'll tell you which cat is in it and for how long, so you can know your cat usage as well. Now, obviously the main difference is automatic versus manual cleaning, and I will admit that we are not always the best at cleaning, so it can get pretty smelly down here when we haven't been on top of the Modkats. And that's something that PetSnowy really excels at. Another thing that PetSnowy is great with is catching litter. With the Modkat, my cats prefer to come out this opening. You can block this opening. They do have a cover for that I've tried to use in the past, and the cats can jump on the top, and that will catch more of the litter. But I find no matter what I do with the Modkat, a fair amount of the litter will go onto this carpet, which is basically our litter catch carpet. Whereas with the PetSnowy, so far, all the litter is catching on this silicone mat, which is really easy to pull out and dump when you want to, and clean. When it comes to size, these are both very large litter boxes. Obviously, the PetSnowy is larger, but it can also handle multiple cats because it auto cleans after each cat, so you can get away with just one PetSnowy if you have multiple cats. However, this Modkat, even though it is giant, we needed two for our two cats, so two of these is larger than one PetSnowy. It's really what you need for your space. And then obviously there's a huge difference in price between automatic litter boxes and regular litter boxes, but this Modkat is still a premium box, so it is not low priced on its own, though it still doesn't compare to the price of the PetSnowy. But if you were looking for the ultimate automatic pet litter box, get the PetSnowy. And if you just want a classic minimalist litter box that will look good in your space, even though you have to clean it, I still love the Modkat as well. Both fantastic litter boxes.